Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Tudia for sending me the Tudia Merge Black and the Tudia Merge Blue for my iPhone 11 product red. 2 dual layer shock absorbing military grade drop tested slim fit protective cases with precise cutouts for my iPhone 11. $10.90. You'll see some information right there. That's not a lot of money to spend to protect my investment. So what we're going to do is get these cases out of this very nice, simple presentation here, these packages, and get a good look at both of those cases on my iPhone 11. Let's do this. Tudia Merge Blue. And the Tudia Merge Black. I'll tell you something, man. That is one good looking case, dual layer protection to protect my iPhone 11. Hard plastic polycarbonate back. And this is the TPU part of the case. Tudia Merge on the inside, designed to absorb shock. Very nice. Tudia Merge. We're going to go ahead and put this part of the case, the TPU part of the case, on my iPhone 11. And then we'll add the hard plastic polycarbonate back. Very nice. That looks really, really nice. Your volume rocker up and down. Nice and responsive. Totally digging that. Your mute switch, your ringer switch. It's just going to turn off the ringer and the notifications as far as the sound. So if you want to mute that, you can just switch it on or switch it off so you can hear your ringer or hear your notifications. At the bottom you got your speaker, your lightning charging port area, which should have a lot of space for third-party cables. This is the original lightning cable that I got in the box with my iPhone 11, but I'm going to plug that in anyway because I want you to see how much space you have there. See that? Yeah, you'll be able to utilize third-party lightning cables with no issues whatsoever. And you have your power button right here, and face unlock works really fast. Check this out. Bam. And as far as wireless charging, just like that. Do that again, just like that. What you're getting here is what you're going to get with this case. We will put this case on in just a moment so you can get a good look at that case on my iPhone 11. Yeah, a lot of depth there. A lot of depth to protect those cameras. Let's get a closer look. Check that out, man. That is just gorgeous. That is beautiful. I like that. I really do. Especially when sitting down on any flat surface. And if the surface is a little rough and you're kind of like, I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to. I would go this route. Now, for me, I have a tempered glass screen protector And there's plenty of lip all around. I can feel the depth there from the lip of the case to my tempered glass screen protector. So I'm probably a little more secure going that route, especially if the surface is a little rough. But if it's completely flat like this one, yeah, just like that. And what we're going to do now is take a couple pictures, and I'll edit those pictures in right in here so you can get a better look. We just want to make sure that the cutout isn't going to disrupt the quality of the picture that I'm taking with that cutout. Make sure that nothing gets in the way. And what you get here with the pictures is what you're going to get with video too. So we'll take a quick picture here, and then we'll do the ultra wide, and then they'll be in there somewhere. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take off the 2D Emerge Black, and just like this. There we go. 2D brand name right there at the bottom. Man, that looks really nice. That looks really nice. Whew, yeah, that looks really, really nice. I like that blue and the red and the black. It's pretty sexy there. There's those precise cutouts. Again, that dual layer protection. TPU corners will absorb shock. If you were to drop your iPhone 11 on the ground sporting this case, nothing is guaranteed. Nothing. But you're going to be way better off spending a little over 10 smacks on a case to protect your investment than if you didn't have it and you dropped your brand new iPhone 11 on the ground. And I know some of you don't like cases. I get it. But yeah, for me, this is the route I gotta go in protecting these, not just the iPhone 11, but any smartphone I bring in, man. There's always going to be a case, and there's always going to be a screen protector. Always. It's not a lot of money. It really isn't. And that looks really, really good. You do have the ridge design sides on both sides. Got it on this one too. And that's going to give you that added grip while holding on to your iPhone 11. For those of you that just have a hard time holding on to your smartphones, they're always just falling out of your hands for some odd reason. Man, 2D is giving you some extra grip here, along with the matte finish on the hard polycarbonate backs here. A lot of grip going on there. So yeah, really digging the design. Love the color. The 2D Merge Blue, the 2D Merge Black. Beautiful cases, low price points, but more importantly than that, great protection for my iPhone 11 and for your iPhone 11. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate your time, your support. Again, huge shout out to Tudia. 2 links down below in the description area. Hit those links, it'll take you on over to Amazon, and you will see all the information that you need to know. Read everything. I'm going to tell you right now, just a little over 10 smacks. Totally worth it. You cannot. God bless, peace. I'm out.